Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. As you guys can see by today's title, thumbnail, and everything, and by this massive box that I have, like, it's massive and exploding, and I've tried putting everything in here. It just doesn't fit. As you guys can see, I do have a massive, ginormous, huge H&M haul for you guys. This video is sponsored by H&M, so thank you guys so much for this amazing package. Took a peek at everything because honestly I could not open it the second I got it at my doorstep for two reasons. One, I honestly did not know who this box was from. It didn't say from the outside that it was from H&M. It just said like the location that the items were chosen from. And two, as soon as I opened it and I saw that it was from H&M, I literally just started taking everything out one by one, like right there in front of my door on my doorstep, because I was so excited. So you're in for a great haul. I got some great pieces and I'm so excited. So that's what today's video is. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Number one, this is definitely one of my favorite pieces. I actually wore it yesterday, so I do have to just quickly throw it in the wash. So I figured I would do this video quickly before I throw it in the wash. But I got this really cute purple sweater. I don't know the prices for a lot of the things. Some things came with like different little stickers, and like not all of them have tags on them. So I'm sorry. I'm going to try my best to link everything down in the description. But I absolutely love this sweater. It's very, very comfortable. There's a bit of fleece on the inside. I got it in a size extra small. It's this really cute lavender color, and what I love is actually the sleeves. So the sleeves are kind of puffy and then go tighter, which I really, really like, and they also have this line across. I love it. It's perfect size. It's like oversized but not too oversized. It's still flattering, super comfy, no complaints. Before I show you the next item, it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but I have a vision for it, okay? So I actually saw this on the website and I did ask them to gift this to me. So basically how my collab works with H&M, if you guys are a little curious, basically is they will ask for my wish list of things that I would like. So I gave them a little list of everything, but for me personally, I do also mention I don't care about colors. Like, okay, I like this vest, let's say. If it comes in 3 different colors, surprise me with one color, you know what I mean? Or if I have one preference, I'll be like, I really like this black color, but I'm also okay with receiving other colors. Or like, this is just a list of what I would like, but if you think I would like something, or you see something that would kind of match me, or you think that I should try, definitely go ahead and like swap it out or include it, etc, etc. So I am very open with H&M, and that's how my collab kind of works, where I'm not set on I want this one in a size extra small in black, you know what I mean? Or I want this extra small in a purple and I don't want any other color. I'm very, very open, where it's like, gift me whatever you want to gift me, because I'm appreciative of anything. So that's why it's really fun for me to receive H&M packages, because honestly I kind of have an idea of what I'm gonna get, but I never truly know. And honestly, a bunch of these are things that I did not pick, so it's a mix of like half of what I picked, I would say, maybe even like 25% of this box is what I actually had picked on my wish list, and the other 75% is like a surprise, which I also really love, because we did that on my last package and I loved everything, and a lot of those pieces were pieces that I would not have chosen. So I will also have that linked in the description. We did it for summer, where it was a lot of dresses, and I had so much fun with that. For winter, we did the same. So this item I did pick, and it's not gonna be everybody's cup of tea, but I have a vision and it's gonna look cute when I style it, okay? But this is an oversized vest, but it's very long. So it goes under the butt and it's just very long. It looks like this, very puffy, very cozy. I absolutely love it already. It's very cute, and then it just ties at the little waist area, so it cinches you in. I'm gonna pair it with leggings and a long sleeve shirt, maybe like a tighter sweater. Like, I just have a vision for it with like a toque and like mittens, hats, you know, something like that, and boots. Like the boots I feel like are gonna pull the outfit together. Very oversized, very cozy. It does have 2 pockets that are very big and spacious, which are a plus, and I don't know, I just really like this. This is the tag for the vest. It's $39.99 and it's in a size small. Not sure if there was an extra small or if small was the smallest size, but I usually just ask for the smallest size for things like this. I'm so excited for this one, you guys. This is perfect. I'm obsessed with it. I'm just, oh, I love it. I just love it. This is a cropped puffer. And it has pockets, okay? I'm just gonna say it's pockets because a lot of crop things don't have pockets. This has pockets on both sides. I know it's cropped and it's not gonna be super warm for winter like the Canadian winters, but this is phenomenal. Like, I'm actually obsessed with this. Zipper is also phenomenal. It does not give me troubles. It doesn't feel like a cheap zipper. It has the pockets, which is great, and it's actually like warm and cozy, which I absolutely love. I cannot stop raving about this color, the fit, the size, absolutely everything. I got this in a size extra small and it was $39.99. This is literally my favorite thing in this package. It's perfect. I love it. Next up, I love this, and you guys should already know this. If you watched my Black Friday haul, I actually bought this exact sweater in this exact size, color, everything. I absolutely love this sweater. I'm either gonna keep it because I love it a lot, where I'm gonna wear it a lot, and I just, you know, in case anything happens to my other one, I do have this one, or I might give this to my boyfriend's sister because we have the same taste and I feel like she'll love this, I love this, so she'll probably love it. And it's a little bit more on the oversized side, so it is very comfy and nice and flattering. This is in a size extra small and it was $34.99. I will have it linked. This reminds me a lot of a Lululemon jacket. I forget what it's called. It's on like the tip of my tongue, but I just don't remember the name right now. But it is a fraction of the price, so this is $59.99 and I got it in a size extra small. I love this. It's more of a lighter kind of jacket, but it is just super flattering. I really like the H&M zippers. They're not cheap, even though like the clothes is affordable. I feel like the zippers aren't cheap. They're easy to go up and down. They don't get stuck, so I really like that. And again, color is great. I don't have any colors like this, and I have like the typical, you know, the blacks and everything, so I kind of want to get away from black jackets only. Next up, we got another cropped. This is like a long sleeve. I wouldn't call it a sweater just because it is more thinner, but it's a nice cute pink color. It's a very kind of thin, breathable material. There's no fleece inside. Super stretchy. As you guys can see, it's super comfy also. I love it. I cannot wait to take off the tags and wear this. And it just says smile secretly hidden over here. It's very, very faint. You can barely see it, but I just kind of like love that little sneaky detail in there where it just says smile. It was $14.99, and again, I got it in a size extra small. I think I'm actually gonna wear this to the gym. I think over a sports bra will be really cute, and if I get hot at the gym, I can just take it off and on. Again, it's not too heavy, so I do like that, and I like that it's cropped. So honestly, I think this with like leggings and shoes is just gonna look really cute, so might actually wear that to the gym tomorrow. I love this. I completely even forgot I had this. I've had this box sitting in my room for a couple days. I forgot I had this, but it is this cute cardigan. It's a knit cardigan, same material as the sweater that I showed you that I already had. I love the wood buttons. I think it's a cute little like detail, and they are functional, so you can just fully unbutton it or button it up however you would like to wear it. Very cozy and very thick, so I love that. It's going to keep you nice and warm. This one is in a size small and it's $39.99 and 50% recycled polyester. It's not too cropped again, but it is still more on the cropped side. Shout out to H&M because they write cute little like handwritten cards. I love handwritten cards, and I actually keep a lot of the handwritten cards that companies have given me, so I do have like a little pile of like notes like this that I keep just because I honestly love it, and people take the time out of their day to write you a handwritten note, so I do just like keep them because it makes me happy, and honestly like I'm so appreciative that people take time out of their day to do that little thing for me. So I love keeping them and they make me smile, so I just wanted to say that before I forgot. Another item that I have but in a different color, and that one I actually gave to my boyfriend because it was supposed to be for my boyfriend when I bought it, but now I have one as well. This is just the kind of infinity scarf, I think that's what they're called. It was one size only and it was $14.99. Nice, cozy, I love it, and it honestly does keep you like super warm. My boyfriend wore his the other day and he was so warm in it. He had to take it off and he was like, oh my gosh, this keeps you so warm, and I really like it. So if you're looking for like a last minute gift for your boyfriend or like a little add-on gift for somebody, this is a great option. Couple more things, but next up we got this sweater. It's like a nice taupey kind of gray color. I love mock necks and turtlenecks. And this is what it looks like. The sleeves are a little bit wider like this. I'm not used to wearing things like this. I like sleeves that are, you know, a little bit like clothes. It's gonna be interesting. This was $39.99 and I picked it up in a size small. 3 more items. I'm telling you, H&M, they spoiled me. Honestly, I think they made a mistake with this cardigan because it's a size medium. I'm not a medium. It was $34.99. Size medium. But it's very, very oversized for me. I tried it on and honestly it's just a little too big, but it had potential. It's very soft, very cozy. It's super long also, as you guys can see. But I think they might have just added it by mistake. Lastly, we got some items for New Year's, which this was outside my comfort zone. I would have never picked this, but I do like how it looks. Like, look at this. It's this like silky, really pretty material. It's kind of like a gray, kind of steel kind of color to it. This is what it looks like. It has a beautiful slit, which I love dresses like this. This one also, I didn't like it just like this. Looking at it, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. It's high neck, long sleeve, but it's just very elegant and classy. I actually really like how it fits. I think it's a concept dress. I don't know if it's out yet because some of them, like I mentioned, have this little tag on it, so they don't have the tags that the other ones have. This one says concept, so I'm not sure if it's released just yet, but it is $69.99 and comes in extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and extra, extra large. I got this in an extra small. And I actually really like how it looks. I think it's very classy and just a really nice New Year's dress, especially because the material and how shiny it is. So I love that. And next and final product that they sent over was this sequence dress. You guys see how sparkly. This one is a short dress, very cute, opposite of that one where this is long sleeve, very covered. This is more open and flowy and just super fun. Like, look at how this looks. It's just super fun for New Year's. It's $39.99 and again I got it in an extra small. For this one though, I would say you could size up, so I probably would have got this in a small just because it is a little tight up over here for me around like the chest area. It's a little tight. At the bottom it's more flowy, and since this is supposed to be kind of like a flowy dress, you can definitely size up in it. So if you're in between sizes, go for the size higher. I think it'll just be a little bit more flattering because like I said, it's a little tight at the top. This is literally everything that H&M sent me in the box. So again, shout out to H&M. Thank you guys so much for this incredible package. That is everything for today's Vlogmas video. Don't forget, I do have secret giveaways in some of the videos, so make sure to go find them all and enter. And if you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!